Sometimes because of things that have happened in your family, you get disconnected from your kids, and it's heartbreaking. Reconnecting is worth it. It's worth all of the effort. And I know it's complicated. There's a story there. Somebody felt hurt. Somebody assigned blame for something that happened in the past. Whatever the story is, there's a disconnect between you and one of your children, or more than one of your children. I know it's easy to just accept that. Sometimes I think parents are tempted to just say, well, it hasn't worked in the past, so I'm just not going to try anymore. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. I realize the door may feel like it's just shut, but don't give up. Here's what I would encourage you to do. Do what you can to reconnect. Sometimes it is up to you to make the first move. Sometimes they've been waiting on you. Sometimes it's just letting them know that you're still there. Maybe you haven't connected or sent a message to them recently, and it's time to do that again. Do what you can, all right? Pray for that door to crack open just a little bit, right? And then don't rush in and push your way or force, but just start communicating. Take what they give you, and then pray like crazy that that'll begin to open up. Sometimes you need to apologize for something that's happened in the past. Sometimes that's really not necessary, but if it is, absolutely give that a go. And just try to stay as close behind them as you can, so if they ever turn around, they can find you. I mean, the worst thing in the world for them would be to have a moment where they think, I miss my dad, and they can't find you. You want them to be able to find you in that moment. Let me just pause for a second here, because I really want you to hear me say this. I'm not offering condemnation. If you're in a situation like this, please don't hear condemnation. Please just hear encouragement. Our God is a God of reconciliation, and He definitely wants us to try to reconcile the relationships in our life. The story of the cross is about a God who crossed the great divide to come and find us when we weren't even looking, when we weren't listening. It's a great story. He's invested in you being able to do the same. Ask Him for help. Ask His wisdom. Ask yourself what you can do today, and just try. No regrets.